morning dear students. Myself Purushottam Patel. Today I will explain you exercise 3.2 of Maths for Standard 8. Come to the exercise 3.2 in your NCERT book. Look at the one number sum. In the one number sum, one triangle is given in the first part. In this book the page number is 44. It may vary in your book. We know the sum of exterior angles for any figure must be 360 degree, and we are given here two exterior angles and third exterior angle is given as x. So sum of all these three exterior angles must be 360 degree. Very easily we can find out x. Sum of exterior for the A number. Equal to 360 degree. Instead of sum of exterior angle, we can write here first angle is x plus x degree plus it was 125 degree. Both of the angles are 125 degree plus 125 degree equal to 360 degree. Of course, you can solve it for x and find out the measure of missing angle. Do it yourself. Come to the B number. In the B number figure also, the sum of exterior must be 360 degree. You will write the same language as I have written here at the A number. For the A number I have written it. Same language you will use for the B number also. And instead of writing here x equal 125 degree, look at the figure. Figure shows that angles are x degree plus next angle you will get, that is right angle, and the supplementary of right angle is also right angle, so that angle is also 90 degree. The third angle you will get, it is 60 degree. Once again fourth one is right angle, that is supplementary of right angle, you will get 90 degree, and the next one is 70 degree. The sum will appear to be 360 degree. Now solve it for x degree, you will get the value of the missing angle. Come to the second sum now. In the second sum, number of sides are given there. Find the measure of each exterior angles of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Of course, I have explained you the measure of each exterior angle will be of course when the number of sides were n, then the measure of each exterior angle will be 360 degree by, and so here we get n equal to number of sides 9, so it will be 360 degree by 9. Whatever the measure you get, that will be your answer. Find it yourself. Come to the B number. It is a polygon of 15 sides. So very simply write up the same language, and instead of dividing it by 9, you will divide it by 15 and you will get the answer for the B number also. In this way, solve the 2 number also. Now come to the 3 number. Very similar sum is the 3 number also. In the 3 number sum, how many sides does a regular polygon have? If the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree, of course we know the number of sides will be very similar to that one. Number of sides equal to 360 degree, divide by n, and here n is 360 degree, 360 degree divided by the measure of angle, that is given here as 24 degree. You will get the number of sides, divide it and find the number of sides. Now come to the 4 number sum. In the 4 number, measure of interior angle is given there 165 degree. Of course, the measure of interior is 165, then the measure of exterior would be supplementary of this one, that is 180 degree minus 165 degree, it is 15 degree. Hence number of sides are asked there. As I had explained you, 360 degree divided by measure of exterior, that is 360 degree divided by 15 degree. Solve it, you will get the number of sides. Now after solving it, come to the 5 number sum. In the 5 number sum, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? 360 degree must be divisible by given exterior angle, otherwise not possible. So to solve the 5 number, 360 degree divided by 22 degree, what would you get? I think you will get 22 ones are 22 and 14, so 22 6 ja. Quotient you will get 16. Q equal to 16 and R equal to 8. That means this number is not divisible by 22, as 360 degree is not completely divisible. By 22 degree. So no, we can't. Come to the next one. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? To be an interior angle, let us check. Measure of exterior, what should be there? This was A number, I had not mentioned here, it was A number, and for the B number, the measure of exterior would be 180 degree minus 22 degree. Of course, it is 158 degree. And very similarly, find out, is 360 degree divisible by 158 degree? No. So you will use the same statement as I have used here, as 360 degree is not completely divisible by 158 degree. So this will also come to no. Now come to the last sum, that is 6 number. In the 6 number sum, the first part is, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? As we had discussed about the polygon during my first class, when I was explaining you the polygons, we concluded that the minimum 3 sides must be there to complete a polygon. So minimum measure of internal possible angle will be, we know in a triangle it is 180 degree, that is 180 degree divided by 3, we get it 60 degree. So very simply you can write it as 180 degree divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. And why? In a triangle, we know that triangle is the first polygon we had learned so far, and for the B number it is asked what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So minimum angle possible was 60 degree, so supplement of 60 degree from A, we conclude that maximum possible angle, maximum possible measure of exterior angle, of course supplementary of 60 degree, 180 degree minus 60 degree, calculate it, whatever the value you get, that is the answer. Of course it is 120 degree, I also got it. In this way you will solve this exercise. In the next class I will explain you exercise 3.3 also. Thank you very much.